So I told you guys, not all want a CPU centric phone, not all want a gaming machine, and there comes Samsung, which attracts mass audience cause of its display, camera, and not to mention the trust factor of being not a Chinese brand. Yeah, I'm not the one who believes in Chinese or non-Chinese, but I do think Samsung attracts mass audience cause of that. Now Samsung is launching Galaxy A52 and Galaxy A72 real soon. They have listed it on their web pages, the guides and all, and this is the first time Samsung is going all out in the mid-range series. In KSA, few stores are already selling the Galaxy A52, and this is your first look to the mid-range device coming in from a leaker named Ahmed. Also, I'm gonna mention this device is a successor to the A51, which was the best-selling smartphone of last year. So a huge design change from back. The camera module got same tone finish like matte black, and I like it. Matte finish looks way better than glossy glass stick they had in the A51. It's still plastic but gives a great feeling. The box packaging shows Galaxy A52 on top. Shocking part is it do comes with a power brick inside the box, not to mention this is silicone case too. Yeah, it is quite shocking for me cause Samsung is killing the power brick in flagships, so I thought Samsung will be nice enough to include the best selling A series into this eco-friendly movement, or should I say the money making movement. The front design is quite similar to the A51, a center punch hole selfie shooter, so no changes in design whatsoever, but the 4G variant comes with a 90Hz display and the 5G variant has 120Hz panel, which is impressive. Some internal specifications are 720G CPU on 4G and 750G CPU on 5G. Not the best but okayish, and as I said, Samsung is not the best implementing CPUs on their smartphones, but again, not all want a CPU centric phone. Surprise is Samsung is finally bringing back IP67 rating to the Galaxy A series, and A52 is a part of it, so most flagship level specs except CPU. Now photography and all is gonna be amazing from this phone. We have a 64 megapixel primary with OIS, that's optical image stabilization, 8 megapixel ultra wide plus 5 and 2 megapixel additional sensors. So pretty decent specifications, I would say. No doubt this is gonna be a mind-blowing smartphone and is gonna break the records once again. The pricing listed is €349 for 4G variant and €429 for 5G, so it's nowhere near the Redmi Note 10 series, but it should arrive at around same price like A51 in some other markets. Samsung is also launching Galaxy A72 4G and 5G with nearly same specifications, and not to mention we have A82 coming with this slider mechanism. So are you excited for the new A series? Let me know in the comment section and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.